In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrap parts or cars. We start by clicking on Inventory, and in the right column, double click Scrap Parts. Enter across until the stock code field is highlighted. If you're scrapping a part, you type in the stock number for the vehicle and press enter. That brings up the entire list of parts for that car. Select the part you want to scrap. In this case we'll use the fuel pump and double click. If there's other parts you want to scrap, you can do so on the same list. To scrap the complete car, you type in the stock number of the vehicle and press enter. Select complete vehicle and OK. Then you click in the square that says print scrap stock report and click F9 save. Aidan then scraps the parts. You select where you want it to print to, click OK. With the printed out form, leave that in Darren's inbox on his desk.